Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Tariq Jamil, and I am going to be speaking to you today about successes. It doesn't matter what is your dream. It doesn't matter what is your difficulties. It doesn't matter whether you are tall, short, white, black, or have big eyes, small hair, white or black. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how bad you feel. It doesn't matter how lonely you are, because a lion is never alone. A lion has to be alone, because if he is not alone, then how will he be called a king? It doesn't matter how much you've lost today. It doesn't matter whether you're working with a credit card or with minor coin. If you think that you have lost everything, just remember, you have not lost the opportunity. When you lose everything, the only thing left with you is a chance to get back all those lost things. And if you think that you deserve those things, you must have to prove your capabilities. Life means leaving the wrong things and adopting the right things. If you are looking opportunity, then this is the perfect time. Life has not been easy for anyone. If you feel that water is